Hello farmers. Welcome to episode 5 on early pig care. If you didn't watch the previous episode, the link to the video is in the description below. Feed. It is important to remember that there are extreme nutritional changes occurring in the pig at time of weaning. Only good caretakers and good husbandry can minimize the negative impact of all the changes that weaned piglets face. It's being shown on the screen right now. Feed quality. Weaned pigs should be provided a high-quality starter ration that provides for all nutrient requirements. Fresh feed should be presented to them. Fill feeders with no more than 2 days' worth of feed. Only fill the feeders for the pigs being received. For example, don't fill all feeders with a 2 to 3 day spread in delivery. Feed will become stale and lose freshness prior to pig arrival. Clean feeders twice daily. Feed allocation. Remember, the gut of a newly weaned pig is going through significant changes. Enzymes needed to digest food are changing from a milk-based diet to a dry feed diet. This process occurs as the pig ages and is not dependent on weight. All pigs should consume the budgeted amount of the first stage feed. Don't underfeed the larger pigs and never limit feed nursery pigs. Below is an example feed budget and lactose levels for healthy pigs. 6.5 to 7.5 kilograms pig, 20% lactose. 7.5 to 9 kilograms pig, 15% lactose. 9 to 11.5 kilograms pig, 7.5% lactose. Make sure all of the pigs receive all diets. Sometimes the smaller pigs are fed more of the phase 1 diet, but the rest of the barn is switching diets faster and could be on phase 3, causing the fall behind pen to go from phase 1 to phase 3. Intake and performance are hurt if diets are skipped. Therefore, ensure that the fall behind pen will always be fed all phases. Gruel feeding. Gruel feeding is recommended for pigs that have trouble starting on dry feed. Ideally, gruel feeding will only need to be done in fall behind pens. Gruel feed should be made out of water and commercially available specialized gruel products. Mixed gruel should have the consistency of oatmeal. Use a bowl or pan for gruel feeding. The pan should be washed and filled with fresh gruel twice daily. Pigs that do not voluntarily eat gruel may be force-fed using a 12 cubic centimeters syringe with the tip cut off. Hand-feeding pigs that do not eat on their own. Twice daily feeding should be sufficient to keep these pigs from starving. This can give them a chance to start on feed themselves. That's all that we have for you today. See you on the future videos. That's all that we have for you today. For more future videos, kindly click the subscribe button. You can also click the links on the description below to visit our website and to watch other farming videos. Thank you for watching.